Guys, just look at this. I just received 100,000 USDT. Not fake screenshots, but real coins on the TRC20 network. This is Flash USDT. Today, I'll show you the VoltiIQ service, which allows you to make such transactions in seconds. Let's go. All right, we're on the VoltiIQ website. Right away, we can see the service is active. A feed of real transactions from other users is running on the right. Quite a lot of people are already using this. Moving on to the most interesting part, Twain, the Pick a Flash Pack section. There are several levels here. Starter Pack, your 1,000 USDT. Trader Pack, your 10,000 USDT. Whale Pack, your 100,000 USDT. And Institutional Pack for the whales, 1 million. Today, I'll demonstrate using the Whale Pack as an example. We're purchasing 100,000 USDT. The cost is around $1,500, payable in TRX or USDT. We click the red button, Connect Wallet and Buy. A connection window opens. I'm using Trust Wallet, the most reliable option for the Tron network. Let's select it. Now the wallet will ask for permission to connect. We allow balance viewing and sending transaction requests. This is a standard procedure. No one can see your private keys. Next comes the most important step, signing the contract. In the wallet window, you can see the details. Tron mainnet network, gas fee PIMUS, it's minimal or covered by the service. We click the green Confirm button. Now the broadcasting process to the network is underway. The system will do everything automatically. We wait literally 10-20 seconds, and voila, a green check mark appears, Flash USDT delivered. The transaction has gone to the blockchain. Here's its hash, you can verify it. And now, Peen, the magic. Let's look at my wallet. Before the purchase, I had only $1,516 and about 1,500 USDT here. I refresh the page, look, the balance has changed to $100,026. 100,010 USDT has appeared in the asset list. Let's go into the transaction history so you can be sure this isn't just a number on the screen. Here it is, a fresh transaction from today. Status confirmed, amount plus 100,000 USDT. If you click View on Explorer, it will take us to TronScan, where this transaction will also appear as real. It's impossible to distinguish from a regular transfer. This is a powerful tool for those working with arbitrage, demonstrating solvency, or simply wanting to quickly move funds. The service works fast, without delays, and most importantly, it's non-custodial Hive. The keys remain with you. I'll leave a link to the VoltiIQ service itself in the description under this video. You'll also find current tariffs there. If the video was helpful and you learned something new, be sure to like it, and this will help the channel grow. Subscribe so you don't miss reviews of new crypto tools. Wishing you all profits. See ya.